So today is Wednesday, the 18th of September. Today is FOMC day, so yeah, let's see what happens. But basically now for the first couple of hours there's probably going to be some ranging markets, I expect, until the Fed starts talking. Let's see though, at the moment we have very low volatility, so an ATR of 5, which typically around the open it's already at least above 8 in the 10s. Let's see though, has been a ranging day also for the London session, so I don't really expect much volatility, but you never know. We're above VWAP, VWAP is down here, there's some interesting levels here. We're sort of right in this area of this break and retest. Market opens now in 10 seconds, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna trade Rhythmic has been really laggy on the fat track trading servers lately, so I'm going to trade my funded futures account today. It's the first time I'm trading with them. Gonna use a DX feed. Let's see if it's better than what we've been having lately with Rhythmic servers. So I'm on the NQs. I'm gonna trade just a single contract.
Order placed. Order cancelled.
So, at least placing order seems very fast execution. Yesterday was very difficult to trade on the servers, but I managed to get out with a small profit. So what I'm doing today is basically just selling on a bar close above recent highs or buying below recent lows, and I'm aiming for just 0.3 of the ATR for my take profit. And if I don't hit take profit within the first minute, I'm just gonna close out manually. So very, very fast trades I'm going for. I would like to see the ATR come up a little bit higher though, at least get up above, you know, so my TP would be around 20 ticks. Also my funded futures are not really happy with what they call micro scalping, which I guess the strategy could kind of be considered, so I don't think that applies to the evaluation though, so let's see. So now it looks like we have a low been formed here, so if price closes down below this and we get an exhaustion bar on the oscillator, I'm gonna take that for a long. Very, very low volatility right now. It's probably gonna be ranging for the most part today until the FOMC meeting later. But let's see if we can get a couple of scalps in. Okay, so if this momentum here on the oscillator closes white, then I'm okay for taking that long. Which it looks like it's gonna happen now. There's a nice wick right there also where price is stalling right now.
Order placed. Order cancelled.
That got very close to take profit. Let's see if we get it. Take profit is right at the VWAP though, so it might be a bit sketchy.
Order placed.
Gonna add one more contract there. And then see if we can
Order
get
placed.
both of them here.
Order placed. Order filled.
So basically took one off at break even and the other one got for, I think, 26.46. Don't know why this equity window in Atas is so slow at updating now. Could be interesting here with the break and retest. I would like to see a break of this low and then have some kind of exhaustion playing on the, or also a triple divergence as it looks like what we're getting now. That would be completely fine with me as well. So if a break of this low and then it might snap up though before I get a chance to enter on the close of this bar. There's this very important low here. Bet a lot of people are looking at that. Are they gonna get it? They're probably gonna go straight for it though now. It didn't quite take out the low, so I'm expecting them to try and push it further down. Might need to close out of this one.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I didn't wait for the exhaustion here. I should really do that. But it's okay. I'm pretty much back to break even. At about $20 profit right now. So far, very good experience trading on this DX feed server, I have to say, compared to the Rhythmic. I mean, anything is better than Rhythmic lately. Still didn't get the retest of this area. That could be interesting to go short.
Order placed. Order cancelled.
Get a close above these bars, so it'll be interesting also to go somewhere up here, go short. Let's see if they manage to take out these highs, and I'll be interested in going short. Get that there. So why is this not placing orders?
Order placed. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order placed. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Okay, so I don't really know. My automatic strategy here seems to be acting up a little bit. Gonna give it another try here, see if it's... So yeah, that original test was definitely the best entry. I got in a little bit early here, and I also didn't see a real high formed on the oscillator, so I just thought VWAP and these wicks is probably gonna hold for a little retest back to this, so kind of like a inverse head and shoulders. But obviously the actual break and retest was the correct entry to take on that one. Still seems like an interesting place to go long off of this shoulder here. Let's see how price reacts when we get down there. If we get down there. If not, I'm also interested. If we take out this high, then I'll be very much interested in going short after that. Starts looking more and more interesting to get along down here and on this left shoulder. Now we have these wicks here also, so there's some liquidity building up in this area. Don't feel comfortable putting a limit order though, because we did have quite a strong downtrend in the beginning of the session. I want to see how price reacts once we get down there first. We might just get a very quick snap right back up, so it might be too slow to get in with market execution. Yeah, this is looking very good.
Order
Gonna
place.
place a limit there. Let's see if we get filled.
Order filled.
Come on, a little bit more.
Order filled.
Okay, so we have about $350 now. Again, this equity thing, I don't know why it's not updating faster. Gonna go long on the close of this bar. If it doesn't turn green before. Yeah, that retrace has already happened, so not interested anymore. Now I'd be interested in this high. If they take that out, I'm gonna go short. That would be kind of interesting though, with like a double manipulation like that, that they take out the low and then come up, take out the high, and then come back into the range. But let's see. Still a lot of buyers coming through here, so let's see if they can get it above VWAP. I think they're gonna push it up now. There came the push. Let's see if they get this high, then I can go short. Pretty much equal highs on that one. I don't like to enter on gray bars though. Typically you'll see that there is still a little bit of juice left in the bias if it's not closing on a white bar. I'm gonna hold off for now. I would like to see them come back up, take out this double top, and then end on a white bar that starts forming now. I'm okay if they just manage to take out this high, but I really want to see them try one last time before I'm gonna go short. Still buyers stepping through here trying to push price up, but seems like there's a pretty strong seller sitting up in this area. This is an interesting area though. Here comes a push. Now they're struggling at this high that I was pointing at before. Let's see if they get it all the way up there. There's definitely a seller sitting up there, absorbing buyers. I would like to see a white bar here though, so let's see if we get it. So again, the reason I didn't enter there was because we didn't get the white exhaustion bar. It does look like the buyers are getting very tired though, so I am expecting a push up above this liquidity here before the real retracement, so that's why I'm hesitating a little bit to enter. Now it's starting to, well, every now and again it prints white down here, so that means, basically just means that there is more, the delta is green basically. And I like to see that on the bar that I'm going in on, just to see that there's a little bit of exhaustion happening. So I basically
Order
I have to
cancelled.
get out of this one. I didn't like it. Yeah, then of course the move comes anyway. That was a real sweep that I was waiting for. So let's see how this candle is closing if I want to get in behind it. Oh, now the move is coming, so a bit late. Don't really know why I got filled all the way up here. Sorry, there. When the bar closed up here, but guess there a bit of slippage. Now there's this low here I'm interested in. If we get down below that, then I'm interested in going up long. Very, very chubby though today, as expected. Okay, so let's see if we get this pushed down below this wick here.
Order placed.
Gonna try and take a quick, looks like they're gonna break out to the upside, but let's see if we get it.
Order cancelled.
So basically just like a Support on VWAP. Again, I'm really interested in taking out this low for a move to the upside. Either one of these two, or this high, basically, for a move to the downside. They take out that there. Let's see how this closes though, because last time they took it out, it just immediately made the whole move without me being in it, so might happen the same thing now. Looks like they're gonna try and make at least one more push. They came up to this line basically that we mentioned before. Should just place limit orders in a ranging market like this. But sometimes of course they just slam right through it, so if this closes on a white delta bar here, I'm okay with going short, but doesn't look like it's gonna happen. It did.
Order filled.
Okay. So again, the reason why I entered there, they took out the high. We got the absorption on the delta. So I was expecting the buyers to get tired, at least for that small push down. So we're up 435 on the account. Let's just take another couple of trades here with this one. Now that looks like they're taking out that low, so yeah. I think they're gonna, looks like the seller is still very, well, there we go. Come on.
Order filled.
It's very small profits all the time here. I have the, I mean, at the moment the TP is just 19 ticks, which is not a whole lot, but I have it set to a minimum of 20 with the exit strategy that I'm using. But again, due to low volatility, it's just not a whole lot. Now I want to see them take out this very high here before I'm interested in anything. They might also break this high and then finally break out of this channel that's been building. A lot of buyers coming through now, but it seems like there's a big seller just sitting here pressing price down, a big limit seller. Because with this amount of market bias, you would think price would come up, but definitely somebody is holding that price level up there. Again, I don't have a chance to get in on the move. The sweep back up happens before the candle closes. Pretty difficult to read this market, I find. Very, very shoddy. Okay, there we get the break. I was interested in placing a limit order here. Seemed like that would have played out nicely. It's not really a setup. Yeah, it would have played out very nicely, but again, not really what I'm looking for. Okay, so now we start seeing something that I'll be interested in. And again, this would have played out very nicely, obviously. But so if we get a break of this low and we get kind of like a, I don't know what you call it, but like a wedge-shaped form here on the oscillator, then I'll be happy to go long. We are getting close to the low of day though, so they might make that push to get that liquidity down below. Very sketchy to enter on a bar
Order
like
filled.
that, but gotta follow the strategy, right? So now we're about $650. Yeah, I might call it a day before giving back any profits here, so let's call it a day. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm out.